This past weekend, I sold 38 items for almost $1,300, and I'm going to take you guys through them. Now, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below because I'll be sharing with you guys BOLOs all the time, different reseller tips and tricks, and a lot of things that will help you grow your business or even start your business. So let's get to the sales. All right, so here are all the items. What did I say? 38 items. It was total for almost $1,300. I'll give you guys just a little pan right there before I show everything. So I sold one shirt, a Paul Hanna Hawaiian shirt. I always look for Hawaiian shirts. They usually sell pretty well depending on what brand they are, and then also what the type of material is. I think it's just a cotton one. Sold for 18 bucks, shipped. I Love Lucy set. It's missing the top on there. There's like a little box top, but it has all the DVDs in there. This sold for, I believe, 43 bucks. This was the highest item for the weekend. It was a Nintendo Game Boy Advanced SP. I had this listed high and I just waited it out. Sold it for $120 shipped. If you follow my Instagram, you know about this one. I bought this for $1.49 and sold it within a few days for $70. These little Bushnell back and tracks do really well. They look like a stopwatch, but they're actually a digital compass. Wii, it's a season to sell Wii items. I have two Wiimotes with the motion controls on there, so you can see that motion. That's the motion control adapter. Also two nunchucks. I got the cases on there. This sold for $47 shipped. Another big score. I bought this for 99 cents. I know Jethro Tull usually sells really well, regardless, but this was a Christmas album and it's sealed. And it seems like it's really popular over in the UK. That's where everyone's been selling them, and the prices are high. I sold this for $89.99 shipped, and it's going overseas too. Out of Smoke audiobooks. I always look out for audiobooks. Just if I see a bunch by the same author, I'll check them out just to see if they're worth it while anymore for me to cross them off my list. This was $22 shipped. I think I paid like $2 for it. Harry Potter audiobooks. I think last time I sold a brand new one of this for $45. I sold all of these shipped for I think it was $53 total. I'm going to be going through some games right now. Simpsons Hit and Run. This was $35. It sold within a day of myself listing it. This is for the PC. Wii Sports went for $28. Super Mario Brothers for the Nintendo DS went for $19.95. Captain America Super Soldier, keep an eye out for this one. This one went for, I believe, $25. Now here I'm going to show you guys a secret that I have, and you may know it as well, is to lot up similar games or genres of games. So I lotted up these three Lego PS3 games, and I sold these for $35. I also lotted up three Call of Duty games. These aren't the most desirable Call of Duty games. You want the Black Ops ones right now. Those are more popular. So I found these each for $1 each, lotted them up, and sold them for $35 shipped as well. This is just a single game, Grand Theft Auto, the Liberty City episodes from Liberty City ones you want to look for, complete edition. I believe this was 18 or 20 bucks. Just Dance 2014-2016 for the Wii. I lotted them up. I believe that was $25 shipped. I lotted these two Sims games up. These sold for $25 shipped. I found a Wii Connect Rivals sealed. That sold for $35 shipped. Leisure Suit Larry. I sold this for $14.95 shipped. I actually have two copies of this, so one's moved, and I'll hopefully move the other soon. Dirt 3 has come down a little bit on PS3. This is $14.95 shipped. Story mode for the Xbox One, I think that was $12.95 shipped. Star Wars Complete Saga, that was I believe $18 shipped. This one I had sitting for a while. R Racing Evolution for PS2, that sold for $10 shipped. Sims Nightlife, that was, I believe, $12 or $13 shipped. And then Alien vs. Predator 2 Primal Hunt is an expansion pack that sold for $23. Lastly, I'm going to take you guys through some DVDs and DVD sets that sold. These were sold very well. The Nanny, I believe this was $35 shipped. These are each sealed. And that was season 1 and 2. Model Me Friendship. Anything from Model Me Kids is a good one. You may have to wait on a little bit, but buy it cheap and it'll sell. These are a lot of DVDs are for kids that are autistic and their families. It's just nice DVD to help them with social skills and how to model them. And so this sold for $20 shipped. Rescuers Down Under double pack, that was $15 shipped. Here's an oddball Dry Room Treatments Body Scrubs 1. I got this for $1. I saw that there was another one of a dry room treatment that had sold, or a few that had sold, but not this one. And I've had this one listed for, I don't know, 4 months, but bought it for $1 and sold it for $35. Star Wars Clone Wars DVDs. This is volume 2. Volume 1 and 2 always sell for me, especially if you could find them at the same time and put them together. But I only had 2 copies of volume 2 right now, but I sold this for $28.95 shipped. Eagles Hell Freezes Over. These sell all the time for me. If I get them for $1, I just list them because I usually find quantities of these at over a period of time. This was $12.95 shipped. The A&E Romance Collection. This was $18 shipped. I had that. I think I only had like $2 or $3 into this one, but got Pride and Prejudice, like all those type of movies in it. Walking Tall Anthology or Trilogy. This was $19.95 shipped. I think it has like 3 movies in there. Winds of War. I believe this went for $25 shipped, somewhere around that. I had it listed for like 2 days and it sold. Here's a bolo. If you could find this Reba McEntire set, Held for Ransom and Is There Life Out There? I found this 2 DVD set, I don't know, maybe a month or 2 ago. Paid $2, I think, for it. It's sealed, and it went for $35. Who knew? Who knew that would go for that amount? Hawaii Five-0, they don't really sell very well. This was even the 9th season, so this is even a later season in the run, and it went for $11.95 shipped. So I would generally stay away from that unless you could find a real late season you get for like $1 or so. Gold Fever, if you guys are following my snowball flip challenge, this was one of the items I bought and put into my inventory from there. This is 2009 season part 1 and 2. Both of them are sealed. This sold for, I believe, $48.95 shipped. If you guys follow me, you know I love selling great courses. This is a sealed DVD and guidebook set. This went for $35. And then finally, Lonesome Dove DVD set. I believe it was $19.95. For the 3 of them, I paid like $2 or $3 just a few days ago, and it sold. So pretty quick on that one. Thank you guys for joining me once again. If you like videos like this with bolos, reseller education, tips and tricks, all that type of good stuff, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. Also, if you could hit the thumbs up, that really helps me and helps out my channel in general. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.